An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 8 meter per minute if the descent starts from 12 meter above the ground level. How long will it take to reach minus 468 meter? Here it is elevator starting from the above of the ground, that is the 12 meter. It means lift is starting from the 12 meter above the ground and it is going down to the minus 468 meter. So we have to find how will it take at the rate of 8 meter per minute. So we have to find the total number of minutes to reach from 12 meter above to the minus 468. So it's a so simple one. In a solution we can mention as a, it is starting from you can mention that an elevator is starting from 12 meter above the ground, or maybe above the ground. We are above the ground. Now at the rate of 8 meter per minute. So this is the basic information in the question. Now it is covering minus 468. So what is the total distance? Therefore total distance covered by lift or an elevator is equals to 12, and this is in the minus direction. Why we don't need to take a minus? Why? Because below the surface area it means indicating just minus 468, but actually this is not the minus 468. Actually the distance is covering by an elevator. So we are just taking minus becomes plus 468. So try to add these two numbers. It becomes, why we are just taking the total distance from the 12 meter above towards the minus 468. So this is going to be a total plus, I think 2 plus 8 0, 6 and 7 8 and 4 80. Try to divide it by the 8 at the rate of 8 meter. Divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 6 are 48, 0 as it is. So 60 minutes it will take to reach the minus 468. So take T for the true and F for the false. First, for any integers as a, so a is the integer, minus a and 1 by a are the additive identity and multiplicative identity for integers. So is this true? I don't think so. This is one true. Obviously this is not the true. Why? Because additive identity for integers is 0 and it's not a minus a. If an integer, then it is not for the this one. Next one, that is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity for the integers is just only 1, not 1 by a. So these two are identities related to the integer. But statement is saying that minus a and 1 by a. So this one is a false. So we can mention this one is a false. Next one, minus 2 into minus 4. It becomes plus 8. Why? Minus into minus plus, and 4 to the 8. 15 minus plus. 15 plus 23. 23 plus 5, 28. 28 and 10, 38. So 38 is become plus. So 4 ones are 4. 4 6 are 24. Carry 1. 4 4 are 16. 64. So total addition of these two numbers, 38 plus 8, 46. So it becomes totally 46. And 46, 64 minus 46, it becomes 56 and 8. 10 plus minus 18. So minus 18 lies to the left side of the minus 10. Yes. this is the number line. So total final answer of this one and this one is equals to minus 18. So minus 18 lies to the left side of the minus 10. Suppose this is the 0, this is the minus 10, and here it is minus 20. So where it will lie? Minus 18 here, something like that way. Minus 18 towards the left side of the minus 10. I think this one is the correct one. Last statement. All the integers are whole numbers. All integers are a whole number? No. If we are taking minus 1, so minus 1 is not a whole number. So this one is also false one. So just only this one is a true, this one is a false. Here it is a question number 24. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than, or is equals to symbol. So try to solve first one, second one, and third one. 22 into 36 minus 7, 92 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, carry 1, getting my point. 3 fours are 12, so minus minus becomes plus 14. So what is the final answer for these terms? Minus 7, 92 plus 14. So 12 minus 4, 8, 8 minus 1, that is the 7, and 7 as it is. Minus 7, 78. Next term, 9 8s are 72. 56 into 9 8s are 72. So what is the 4032? If this is the minus and this one is also minus, but this one is a very smaller as compared to this one, so we can apply this symbol. Next one, 26 as it is, minus 22 as it is. 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. This is a minus, so minus 3. 26 as it is, minus 22 minus 3, it becomes minus 25. So we can write plus 1, the final answer. 43 as it is, minus 11 minus 13. Both things are negative, so 4, 1 plus 1, 2. After reducing these two 1, 13 minus 4, it becomes 9, and 3 minus 2, it becomes 1. So 1 is smaller as compared to the 19. So this one is a greater as compared to the this one. Sorry, I made a mistake over here. So this one is a greater and that one is a very smaller. So I made a mistake, sorry for that one. So last step I'm just erasing this portion. So minus 16 as it is, divided by minus 12 plus 4, minus 4. So minus 12 minus 4, it becomes minus 16, and the symbol as it is. So I am erasing this portion. Plus 12 as it is, divided by minus 3. Last step. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So minus 4. 16 divided by 16, 1. So 1 is greater than as compared to the minus 4. So we can mention this one. So hope you have got this one. We are moving towards the last question of the exercise. Select T for true and F for false. Negative integers are on the left side of the 0. So all of you know that this one is a correct. Negative integers, left side of the 0. So if this is a 0, then all negative are on the left side of the 0. So we can say this one is a correct one. So this is going to be a true. Next one. For any three integers a, b and c, a plus b into c is equals to a plus c into b plus c inside the bracket. So this is the distributive property over the addition, but this is not the correct explanation for this one. So correct explanation is a into c and plus b into c, but this one is the incorrect one. So we can say that this one is a false, this one is a true. Next, the identity of integers under the subtraction is 1. So additive identity or subtractive identity, that is not the 1, that is the 0. Why? If we want any integer as answer, that particular integer itself, so suppose a minus 0, it becomes a. So subtractive identity, that is the not a 1, it's a 0. So this one is also false one. Last one, the product of two negative integers is negative. This is not going to be possible. How? So suppose we are taking -2 into -3, it becomes +6. So this one is also false. TFFF. So thank you very much for the watching. Please do subscribe and like for the chapter as well as for the my channel.